Hello teacher, my name is Võ Phui and today I would like to give you an overview of my research proposal. My research title is an analysis of morphological errors in academic writing of English major students in case of the high quality program at Cantor University. First, I would like to talk about the issue that I can see from my learning. Rewriting academic writing, EOF learners encounter many problems and make mistakes repeatedly in writing, but they are unable to make correction due to the fact that academic writing is extremely essential when students are studying university. Therefore, mastering this skill is really indispensable for them. When learners start to learn a second language, no one can be in the same circumstance. It's not simple to master English as a foreign language, specifically EOF learner majoring in English study. They will face many difficulties when it comes to basic skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Among those, academic writing is a big challenge to them. However, fortunately, they also learn some linguistic subjects such as morphology, syntax, that may assist them in mastering writing competence. Thanks to morphological knowledge, EOF learner can improve so much and make fewer mistakes in academic writing. So I have the idea to conduct a study that finds and analyzes morphological errors when students write academically. The purposes of this research are to investigate the errors of morphology in academic writing of EOF learners at Cantor University and to discover the frequency of each type of morphological error that English major seniors at Cantor University make repeatedly in academic writing. And about the research questions, the first question is what types of morphological errors are made by EOF learners majoring in English studies in the high quality program at Cantor University in academic writing? The second one is what is the frequency of each type of morphology error that English major seniors at Cantor University make repeatedly in academic writing? Research question 1 will show that many morphological errors are made by students majoring in English studies in case of the high quality at Cantor University. Research question 2 will tell me the frequency of morphological errors that English major seniors at Cantor University make repeatedly in academic writing. Qualitative data will be used to tackle these two research questions. Coming to the literature review, I divide it into two parts. Section 1, I review some research studies, maybe 3 to 5, and then synthesize them to identify issue and consensus. Highlight some similarities and differences. Section 2, I review some notions that are related to my study, such as morphology, error analysis, types of errors, morphological error, and academic writing. When it comes to the methodology, the instrument that I use is a writing test. First, I will search and select an academic passage in books or articles. Second, I will create and design a paper that looks like a writing test which has 3 assignments. Finally, I send the link and ask the participants to complete the test and collect data. Let's turn to the next part, which will tell you about participants and sign. On EOF on EOF learners majoring in English studies at Cantor University are likely my participants. I would like to have a research on 30 EOF learners majoring in English study with the high quality program at Cantor University because and now I want to describe the procedure of collecting data and technique of analysis data. Chuyển, move on. The procedure of collecting data in this research are: firstly, I send the link of the test to students for completing the test. Secondly, I check on the answer and inquire another lecturer to recheck the students' writing test. Thirdly, I step into the process of analyzing students' morphological errors. The data were analyzed using some techniques as follows. First, I identify and categorize students' error based on James' taxonomy. Then I describe the error. Next, I evaluate students' error by giving corrections to continuously. I made the percentage of each type of morphological errors in order to determine the most prevalent types of error. Lastly, I discuss students' morphological errors based on the theories. Currently, I have a fairly general grasp of the content I need to do from topics to research methods. I have read a lot of articles on this topic, so I also know the steps to do and concepts related to my topic, such as morphological errors, academic writing, or research methods and models. There were many models to analyze the errors in the river studies. However, I have chosen for myself a model that I feel extremely satisfied with. I have now finished writing the introduction and will be nearing the end of the literature review and the methodology. Before my research, there were several studies from Turkey, Malaysia, or Pakistan. The main findings in my research will be the tables of the morphological errors of the third year English major students at Cantor University, namely addition, omission, misselection, and misorder, and from that I will discover the prominent error they made in academic writing. And here is the end of my research proposal. Thank you, teacher, for listening.